Okay, we are going to see the question number 20.
Yes.
Okay, 20. That is bank reconciliation statement of question number 20 and 21. Okay, these two we are going to try. Okay, this side is plus and this is minus. And balance as per pass book is given. Okay, Kishan, read the question.
22,000.
22,000. Okay, 22,000, that is balance as per passbook given. So that balance is there. So we are going to show on which side beta? Positive side or plus side. If overdraft is there or debit balance is there, then showing minus side. Okay. Next.
Mahavir Prasad has paid into the bank on 26 June for 4 checks. 3,000.
4 check paid into bank. Okay, beta, 4 check. Tell me the number check.
3,000, 6,000,
3,000, 6,000 and
8,000,
8,000 and
10,000.
10,000.
Of this, the check for 6,000 was credited by bank in July 2020.
Between these all check, this check will credited. Okay, on July. We are going to close in June, beta. Our date of closing is June, 30 June. But this check is credited after the June. It means up to June this check is not credited now. So not credited, then add or less. Add, beta. Not credited means add. Okay, next.
On 23rd June, 3 checks were drawn for 12,000.
Drawn means issued, beta. Issued or drawn. Okay, third check. Check number
12,000, 13,000,
12,000, 13,000
16,000.
and 16,000. Okay. 3 check we are going to issue for payment. 12, 13 and 16,000 rupees. Okay.
The first 2 checks were presented to the bank for payment in June and the third in
2 check will present in June, but 1 check that amount is 16,000 that will present after the June, means that will not present. So then what will it? Less 16,000. Clear, beta? You can write both things. 3 check issued, but 1 check is not presented. That amount is 16,000. You can write this. No problem with that. Okay. Next.
check amounting to 3,600 were deposited in the bank, but no entry was passed on the cash book.
Check amounting 30,
600.
100. Deposit in bank, but no amount entered in cash book. It means bank balance will increase, beta. Then less. Okay, next.
Bank charge entered in the cash book twice, 50 rupees.
Bank charge. Bank the C. The C like that. It's a cash book, beta. And it's the passbook. Minus, plus, plus, minus. Bank will charge 200 2 times. Sorry, 200. But here in cash book they will charge 2 times, no? That thing is there. So 1 time is so okay. But second time extra cut. Extra amount cut, beta. 200 extra cut. So cash book balance is less and our balance is more. So what are we doing? What we are doing, beta? That is for 200 rupees entered in cash book twice. Okay, clear or not? Okay, next.
Check received entered twice in the cash book, 3,200.
Check received and entered in the cash book twice time. You are receiving the check, beta. See it again. You are receiving the check. Okay? Then add side will enter. Sure? And sending to bank. Then add side he will enter. But you are entered 2 times. 2 times. 1 time more. Then your balance means cash book balance will increase and our passbook balance will decrease. So what we are doing? Amount?
So
3200. Check entered in cash book twice. Finished? Or more there? Finished the total? Total amount is this side. Difference amount beta?
11,550.
50. It means you have missed something. No 50 is there.
So 50 I told you have written to.
This only 50. Only 50. Okay. Then 5691. Remove the amount. It's a 50. Okay. Then 1 5 0. Then 1. What am I doing?
Yes. This
1,100. Sorry, 11,550. Came beta? Everyone? Main thing is that beta, to clear these things. Clear these things. Okay, how we are going to add and how we are going to less the amount. Okay? Now go for the next question. It's clear? Copy it everyone? Do it fast, do it fast. And for again I am telling, for this statement don't take any tension. What statement is given in your book, same you can write here. Copy here. Okay beta? Do it fast. It's what? Balance as per?
cash.
Because same side is coming now. So one trick is there. Same side is coming. Then only check the book. Change the book. Opposite side will come. Then check the balance or order. Okay. Okay. Done. Go for the next. I think it's last question. Okay. After that, we are going for the amended test. Okay. Done beta everyone? Okay. Beautiful.
On 31st March 2017, the passbook shows a balance of 25,000.
It's the 25,000. Okay. That will show balance as per cash book 25,000. Clear? Next.
Check of 20,000 were deposited in bank on 27 March 2017. Out of which check of 5,000 were cleared on 1st April 2017. Rest are
Only 5,000. Only 5,000 cleared. Okay, are collected, are issued. Okay, beta. Only 5,000. Means 27. Issue we are on 27, but only 5,000 check cleared. Send or issue. Sending or return the check. Deposit check beta. Means deposit means send. We are just sending for deposit 20,000, but only deposited 5,000. It means more amount we are going to add beta. Difference amount is beta. Difference amount 15,000. 15,000. Okay. We are sending for 20,000 rupees check, but only 5,000 rupees check collected. Okay. So then remaining amount 15,000 beta, that will add. Okay, next.
on 28 March 2017, check were issued amounting 15,000.
Issue beta,
Out of which
15,000.
check of 3,000 were presented in March 4,000 on 2nd April, rest were not present.
4,000 2nd April, rest means 3,000 to presented. Remaining 12, in that 12, 4 next month it is not presented. Okay, then others, how many others? Amount 15,000 total, 3,000 is presented. So 12,000 not presented. In this 12,000 is 4,000, that is also not presented. It means totally 12,000 not presented for payment. Then what are we doing? Plus or minus? Okay, beta. Only they are giving the for the confusing this 4,000. You were confused about that. But this is also presented after the date. You are standing today, only 2 days, and what will done in tomorrow, you know about that? Anything know about that? Then it's presented after the March, and on 30 March we are going to do this things. On that date, it's not presented. It means only 3,000 presented, all remaining amount less. Next, beta.
Check of 10,000 were deposited in bank 28 March 2017. Out of which check of 4,000 were cleared on 2nd April 2017 and rest are dishonored.
2,000 clear, 4,000 clear to 2nd April,
Yes, sir.
and rest dishonored. It's the 2nd April. It means it's not clear. On which date we are going to make this bank reconciliation statement? On that date, it's not clear. And rest again, not clear, no? It means full 10,000. Full 10,000 will not clear. Clear, beta? You are sending for the 10,000 rupees check. Sending beta na for deposit or issue. Deposit. Okay. When this 4,000 check presenting on 2 April. But you are going to make this bank reconciliation statement on 31st March. It means this amount will not be presented. And others dishonored, it means again not present. It means whole amount will not present. Is what we are doing? Add or less? Okay. Next.
Interest of investment collected by bank does not appear in cash book date.
On investment collected by bank. Okay, but in cash book it's not entered. It means cash book balance will less, na beta, and our passbook balance will increase. So what are we doing? Less or add? What are we doing, beta? Amount
800.
less, na? Interest received by bank, they will go to add. But you are as a cashier, you are not going to add this. So it means cash book balance is less, and our passbook balance will increase. So then let's next. ABR like a
APR of 9,000 previously discounted from the bank was dishonored on 30 March.
It's an ABR. Okay, beta. It's an ABR. Bill receivable. Okay, that is not ABR. A means one. BR. Okay. ABR is discounted. Na beta. Discounted. Read again.
APR of 9,000 previously discounted from the bank was dishonored on 30
9,000 bill previously discounted by bank. The bank will pay this amount, but dishonored, then bank will not receive this amount. The bank balance is less than beta. So then what are we doing? Next.
Bank has debited 1,500 and credited 1,200 in our account.
Bank debited, then again bank credited. Debited what amount, beta? 1,500 and debited 1,200 in your account. That amount debited means expense, loss, charge, that will add, beta. And amount of 1,200 credited add in the account, so that will less. Anything else? Add no. This is at 14,000. remaining amount 43. What about coming?
So 51,500.
51,500.
1,500.
How the amount is calculated? 51,500. It means it's coming 55. 5, 5, 10 and 10. 20, 0, 2, 6, 5. It's a 14,800. Read again. Any amount is only 43 and 51. 8,000 amount, 4,000 amount. Any check? Again, read it like this amount. Yes. 28 March is 2 April or anything else?
So 2 up.
And it put.
Check of 10,000 were deposited in bank on 28 March, out of which check 4,000 were cleared on 2 April and rest are dishonored.
It means full is not clear, no? So add full. It's okay. Then
सर 15,000 here 20,000 होगा
what is there? Not clear. Read again.
सर 1 अप्रैल को वो क्लियर हुआ कलेक्ट हुआ
This,
यस सर
but he is writing. Tell me.
Check of 20,000 were deposited in bank on 27 March, out of which check of 5,000 were cleared on 1st April.
First April. Read clearly better. Go everyone are reading them. First April. It means that amount is again not clear. As like saying this. Okay? If 1st April, it means on 31st March that amount is also not clear. Read it very clearly. So this amount 20. Then total amount is 5. Then 51. 5. This amount is coming out of 51,500. Always in accounts, read the question very clearly. Otherwise, you will face a problem. Anyone. Because when only one point is changed, now the full question will change. So this is what? Balance as per overdraft, or balance as per cash book, or overdraft as per cash book, or overdraft as per passbook. What will you do? Tell me. Here what will you do, beta? Overdraft as per passbook.
बैलेंस एज पर कैश बुक
Because same side, only what change? Book will change. That. Okay? Clear? Finish it fast. Finish fast. Then I am going to explain amended cash book. Time is there, no? How much time is there?
सर 12:40
What do you do? Do it fast. Done? Everyone? Okay. Now we are going for the amended cash book. First, clear your mind what is the meaning of amended cash book. When the all correction which is done or all the problem which is came from the cash book will correct in cash book only, and the problem which is come from the passbook will going to correct by the bank reconciliation statement only. That system is called amended cash book. It means we are going to amend the cash book. If any type of problem will come by the cash book, by the cash, maintaining of cash, so then we are going to make one other cash book, that name is amended cash book, in which we are going to clear or settle all the fault or all the error which is done by the cashier or done by the cash or done in the cash. Okay, beta? It means clear your mind. When any type of fault is coming relate with the cash book, that will clear by the making of amended cash book and other all problem that is coming by the passbook beta, that will clear by the making of bank reconciliation statement. Okay, it means if any type of problem will come in cash book, as like that you are not entered this debit amount in cash book, that will settle by the making of amended cash book. You are not entered this credit amount in cash book. Passbook is doing good, na? They are doing his work, but you are not entered in cash book. Then for the correction of that things, we are going to make amended cash book. Okay, beta? Clear? And all the fault that is done by the bank or entry which is not done by the bank, that will clear by the making of bank reconciliation statement. Clear? So in this system we are going to make one cash book only, beta. That name is amended cash book. We are going to take the balance, and cash book balance is coming debit side. Now beta, okay, balance is coming this side, and after that we are going to amend the things. If any type of expense we are not showing, so we are showing which side? Which side? Credit side. Any type of income we are not showing which side? Debit side, beta. Or any type of fault by which your balance is decreased, so show on the debit side, your balance increased, so show on the credit side. Okay, this is the system by which we are making the amended cash book. Okay, clear? Okay.